You got really good at explaining why you didn't do it. You got busy, you retired, something came up, the timing wasn't right, and every excuse sounds reasonable by itself. And that's why you keep getting away with them. The problem isn't whether your excuse makes sense. The problem is your goals keep paying for it. Be real. Have you been making excuses sound a little too reasonable? Drop a yes if you have. Then go start that 7-day Empire Standards at app.royalempire.shop. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and share.